Hello, my name's Tyler, as you can see as it says so on my shirt, and welcome to Baja 1000 Beyond Limits. Follow along our journey as we tackle this year's infamous, famous, most bad, awesomeness, cool, this year's Baja 1000. Anyway, yeah, we're Total Mayhem, and thank you for following along. Check it out. We'll kind of go through this year's whole rigmarole. I think our story will be cool. We're a little different, a little more unique, I feel, than other teams. We'll cover the background. So this is video 1 and trophy truck number 78. This is Total Mayhem Racing. So we'll take you through the prep, tear down preparation for the race. We'll leave a couple weeks early. We go down and do testing, tuning, and then go down there and do pre-running. So we'll follow along, do a multi-part series on what the one of the lowest budget trophy truck teams in the world does to prepare for the Baja 1000. Oh no, the cops are here.
Oh, the cops are here. What up?
Alex here today to help pull the third member. That's got to get sent off to Evan Weller for a re-gear and a freshen up. Ow!
All right, so for episode 1, Baja Beyond Limits, Tyler again, Total Mayhem. Did a little time lapse. We'll see how that turns out in the editing. I'm new to this whole GoPro and editing video thing, so I guess we'll find out. But anyway, tried to time lapse, pulling the third member out of it. It's in that box now, getting sent off to Evan Weller Racing. This year we did some upgrades to the transmission, added a underdrive. So with that, we have to do rear gear change to get the same ratio out to the final gearing. Before we're running a 547 without an underdrive. With the underdrive on the transmission, it gives us the ability to run a smaller numerical gear. So we're going from a 547 to a 411. And in the ring and pinion, what that does is the higher the number, the less tooth engagement you have at a time. So you lose a little bit of strength in your third member. So the smaller the number in gear, the more tooth engagement you have. With these big heavy trucks and big 40-inch tires and everything like that, I really like to see the big numbers. With an underdrive, it's converting it before it hits the drive shaft and then down the drive shaft. So you can get the same final gearing and go with a smaller one. So yeah, there we are, video 1. Third member's out, sending off to Evan Weller Racing, waiting to get the transmission back. In the meanwhile, we're gonna continue completely stripping the truck down. So I'll start taking the body off, panels, and all the suspension, shocks will get sent off. And then we just clean, inspect, paint, and you know, do the final fitment assembly, and then start testing and tuning. So tune in if you guys want to see a bunch of normal guys chasing big wild dreams, then yeah, hit that subscribe, like. I appreciate it if you made it to the end of the video. Thank you.